so I can put my front lip on. Go poopy. All right, so today we're gonna be installing a front lip and some side skirts. I have two front lips. One was from eBay and I doubt it fits. And then the other one is over here. It's the Maxton Design V2. I think we're gonna be putting that one on just because it'll fit better. So let's do this. So that goes on there. Oh, bet. I got a sticker. Bet I got a, ooh, it's instructions. We strongly recommend to leave the installation to the specialist. Splitter not mounted properly may fall off and cause serious damage. Well, that's the end of this video.
Trying to cause some serious damage.
Oh. All right, we got the car jacked up.
I guess right there. That's in something. I don't know what it's in, but it's in something. Give me another one. Yeah, sure. We're gonna use armpit here because I got no room. Oh, look at the speed! Oh, shit. Everybody does this. Back off.
Go work and he's gonna look at the front of this car.
I don't know. Should I put these on?
Where's that screw go?
You think, should I do this? Zach, I'm gonna hold it. It looks good. Not using those.
No. It's fucking safe for one of those. No one will beat you.
Tesla and the Porsche Taycan.
I haven't heard of them.
Facing from this one is different.
Well,
If I ever get an electric
there's
car,
20 screws holding this thing together.
this thing
Not the right way to put it on, but it works. That front lip is go on an angle. Yeah. I can fit a shoe. Go on an angle. There you go. Oh no. Oh my god. Those are like fucking horrible roads too.
Yeah. Tire stick. They just don't stick in the wet. That's when it's an issue.
Jesus.